Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, bringing you another quote to help kickstart your day. And here are your words of wisdom. To change your life, you have to change yourself. To change yourself, you have to change your mindset. If you're stuck in a rut, the only way you're going to get yourself out of it is to change. Your mindset can and will be your most important weapon in your quest to try and achieve anything. So being able to tune it to the right attitudes you need will be your biggest victory. Get your head straight, get your mindset in place, and the only way you'll go is up. Good luck.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.